For Christmas this year, my mom bought me this universal folding LED light for my basement workshop. So let's take it back there and have a look at it. It's noisy back here in the shop, sorry about that. So let's go ahead and take this out of the package. And some people call these fan lights because when it opens up, it kind of looks like a fan. But it's just LED paddles. You kind of aim it wherever you want, and we'll have a look at that here once we actually install it. But before we do that, I thought it'd be fun to take a look at some of these specs on here. It says that it's 36 watts. Now, watts does not mean brightness. Watts is power consumption. When we're talking about brightness, we want to look at lumens. That's 2700 lumens. That's how bright it is. And the other thing is the light color is 5000 K daylight. Well, what does 5000 K mean? That's Kelvin. This is a cool white LED. Well, there's warm white and cool white, depending on the color temperature. This is what warm white looks like. And this is what cool white looks like. Typically in the living areas of your house, like your living room, your kitchen, or whatever, you want to use warm white light. But in utility areas like your laundry room, your garage, your shed, your workshop, places like that, cool white is fine. It's really bright. This stuff's pretty efficient. I've got cool white here on the workbench. That's what we're looking at right now when we're looking at this packaging. So let's go ahead and screw it in and see what it does. So here is our light, and this is strange. I don't know why it is, but if I screw it into the socket just like this, it doesn't work. Here, check this out. Nothing. You'd think there's something wrong with the light, but apparently not. It has to do with the socket, and I don't know why this is, but if I unscrew from the socket, which does work, and I put this little adapter in that has a power outlet on it that I actually use to power a light that's above our washer and dryer. If I screw this in, and then I put this on the socket on the adapter, one-handed, sorry about this. Here it comes, and bright! It works. I've got the light on over the washer and dryer, and this isn't quite screwed in yet. So let's go ahead and screw it in and see what it does for light. That's quite a bit of light. Lit up the shop pretty nice. Now it does have the paddles on it, so you can kind of aim it. So if I wanted more light on the workbench, I could maybe do that. Or if I wanted more light over here, I could bring this paddle down like so. But I'm just going to leave it up like that, and I still clear it, although I've got that adapter in it with low ceilings. So yeah, anyway, just a quick video on this. Like I said, some people call them a fan light. There's several of them out there. This particular one, Mom got at Menards for like 10 bucks. So wherever you get it, this is kind of what it does. It's a cool white light, great for your utility areas or maybe your workshop or your garage. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.